So there's only one type of foundation that you can do a injection or a crack filler on, and that is a poured concrete foundation. When you do that, it's not a repair. What it is it's a band-aid. The longevity of that depends on how aggressive you get with repairing your foundation. There's two types of injections. You have a polyurethane injection, which is for waterproofing. As you inject it, it mixes with a water substance and expands to fill the cracks and crevices. With that repair, the wall can move right around 1/8 to 1/4 inch before it breaks back open, so it gives you some play. The other injection is a epoxy injection. We have to excavate that crack from the outside and the inside. We have to seal it from outside before we inject it because it takes 3 to 4 hours to fully cure. So if you have a void on the exterior of that crack, that material will just drain out if you don't seal it. It definitely helps with the structural integrity of the foundation, but it's not a lifetime fix without repairing the foundation from whatever is causing it. Whether it's water intrusion causing hydrostatic pressure, or is it a drought that has caused one corner of the house to settle that has broke that foundation apart. When you have cracks in center block, you can't inject them because those center blocks are hollow. The only thing you can do is patch it. You can't fill those cracks. And it's the same with stone foundations. Stone foundations are built with stone and mortar. So when you have cracks in it, you can't inject it because they're individual rocks and the mortar will blow out depending on the material you use. So it's more of a patching, it's a cosmetic fix versus a structural repair. With how the internet is these days, a lot of people look up crack injections and how to do it. So when we get phone calls, we come out and that's all they want. And that's completely fine if that's how you want it. It's our job to educate them on why the crack is there. The injections, there's a lot of homeowners that start with that because your house might not settle any further than where it is at that point, and you're just trying to keep it waterproofed. So they start with that, and it gives them a base of what to watch for in the future.